When I'm preparing wires for switches, I take 18 gauge wire and I can strip the wire very easily by sliding it into this automatic wire stripper, and I slide it in until the notch is right about at a ½ inch. And I just squeeze it and it will strip both wires automatically. Next, what I do is I take one of the wires, doesn't matter silver or copper, and bend it back. This makes it much easier to get in there and to make a little slit with the scissors. The slit that I make is probably about ¼ inch, ½ inch in between the two wires. Next, I want to show you how you can cut your wire. And with your wire stripper, you also have a wire cutter down here. So you slide your wire in and squeeze, and cuts very easily and quickly.